causes of snoring. Obesity. Being overweight can cause bulky throat tissues. Excess fat around neck or throat can cause surrounding tissues to sag, which stops smooth airflow and causes vibration. Age. As you get older, or middle age, throat muscles become weaker, and the muscle tone in your throat decreases. This makes them vibrate more easily when you sleep. Hereditary. A cleft palate, narrow throat, or other physical attribute that contribute to snoring are often hereditary. Weakness in throat causes throat to close during sleep. Mispositioned jaw often caused by tension in muscles. Nasal obstruction. Obstruction in the nasal passageway, or blocked airways, make inhalation difficult, and create a vacuum in the throat, leading to snoring. Alcohol or other drugs. Relaxants. Alcohol, smoking, and certain medications such as sleeping pills, increases muscle relaxation, which leads to more snoring. Sleeping posture. Sleeping flat on one's back may result in the tongue dropping to the back of the mouth, causing the flesh of throat to relax and block airways. Check other related videos, as well as description below for more information.